Everyone, Vince the Foreman is back with yet another tutorial. So for this tutorial, it's going to be a real quick one. I'm going to show you guys how to create objects interacting with one another, or objects wearing clothes, or however you want to put it. So for this particular project, I am going to turn off my canvas like I normally do because it gets in the way. And I'm going to start off with an environment. So I'm going to use the beach. I'm going to go to 3D Library right here. I'm going to go to my search bar and type in beach, right? Because I want my environment first. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to bring it down all the way to the floor. And then I'm going to increase the size. And then I'm going to find the character. So I think a flamingo works really well for the environment. So I'm going to type in flamingo. Perfect. So I'm going to take my flamingo and place them on the stage. Now, what I want to do is utilize this button right here, the Z-axis position. I'm going to move it back and forth so that way I can position it where I want to. Once I have it there, then I'm going to rotate it a little bit just so I can see it. Now, notice that its leg is kind of sticking out, so I'm going to make some adjustments to that. Maybe like lift them up a bit or bring this down. I'll just lift them up a bit. It's fine. Like right there, right? And then what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to increase the size of my environment just a little bit. And then what I'm going to do for my flamingo, I'm going to put maybe a lifesaver on them, lifesaver jacket or a life jacket on them, you know, just for fun. Like this. There we go. Now what I want to do, the trick behind this is utilizing this Z-axis position. I'm going to place it over my bird. And of course, I'm going to rescale it down. So I want to use the corners right here. And then I want to go back to this. And then I want to use this button right here, the rotation. All right, and I'll just position it likewise. Just like that. So I'm using a combination of this button and this button right here, okay? That's just about it. Now the only thing left to do is to actually add maybe a sun, just to make the environment look just that more livelier. And then I'm gonna push the sun back. Maybe make it a little smaller, push it back some more. Put them a little bit behind the trees. And then last but not least, what I want to do, I want to go to my effects and change my lighting. And that's it. And that's how it's done, folks.